What's going on, VUU? Fowler here, and
my most fondest memory of being at VUU was singing in the choir under the direction of Dr. Willis Barnett.
My most memorable 2004 NCAA the men basketball championship. They came back home on the bus. We had a nice party on campus. That's when the Hendo used to be outside. So the Hendo now is real nice, but back then we had the Hendo outside in 2004, and it was lit. So that was my most memorable moment as VUU Panther.
My most memorable moment from Union was probably just graduating. It was like very exciting for me, and I was moving on to the next chapter of my life.
Most memorable moment is just hanging out on the quad at Henderson Center. Great times.
My most memorable moment at Virginia Union was when I was crowned Miss Virginia Union, and at my coronation we had 30 former Miss Virginia Unions to come back and celebrate with me. That was a wonderful time.